Okay, I think I'm gonna start this video like this. Well, obviously I'm starting the video like this, but I think I'm gonna, it's not like a get ready with me, but it's more like a play date. I'm gonna play with the new, I don't have, never mind. I'm gonna play with the new Lethal Cosmetics shadows that she sent me. I'm so excited that she asked me if I wanted to put together my, like, what is it? This is like a custom palette tool that she has on her site where you can put in whatever shadows you want from her collection and create your own palette, and you get a bundled price. I did not pay for this though, I did get this in PR. I'm super excited about this. And I don't have, like, I have my foundation and everything on. We're actually going to two friends' birthday party today, so I want to look okay. So I'm gonna put, I have a picture on my Instagram where I have put the names of all of these so that you can actually check my Instagram and see the names, and I also put there who are the new ones. So I'm gonna try and use the new ones. So I think it's like the yellow and this yellow, these two greens, this one, oh, and this one. So I'm gonna try and use as many as possible of the new ones. I'll put the names down below, but if you want to know the names of every picture in this palette, it's gonna be on my Instagram. So I think I am gonna start, what am I gonna start with? I think I'm gonna start with this green one here, and that is called Void. I have the names in front of me. So I think I'm gonna start with that one, the green one. And I think I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna put it, ooh, cat hair everywhere. I'm gonna put it here. I already have a primer on. I have the Sigma, the primer stick from Sigma. I really like that one, and I have that on right now. I have it in Ignite. That's pretty cool. Something as light as this, I'm basically patting it on, and then I'm just blending the upper edge here. I'm blending a bit here as well, just ever so lightly. No need to be over blending a shadow like this, it's just not going to be a good time. That is really cool. Do the same on the other side. Okay, that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna use the yellow in the bottom, which is called Helios. This one right here. I'm gonna do the same, but on the outer side. Just patting it on and blending it out. Ooh, this is really nice. It's like a buttery yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna take this one. It's like a cranberry matte. It's called Cascade, right? I have not learned these names at all. So I'm gonna use Cascade, and I'm gonna use that to deepen up the, like, outer corner and outer crease just over this yellow. Ooh, that's got a lot on the brush. It's really good though. Okay, not gonna lie, I wish I had a middle color, like something orange or something like that, to blend these two together. It's okay, but it's not perfect. It was a bit of a too big of a jump between the yellow and the red, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll live. I'm gonna use this one now. I'm pretty sure it's called Petrichor. I think that's it. I'm gonna use that one. I'm just gonna deepen up a little bit here with that. Just a little bit. Better watch it a bit now because it's turning a bit muddy over here, and we do not want that. Okay, I think I am gonna go in and do a little bit of shimmer now. Let me see which ones were new. I'm pretty sure that this coral one was, yeah, the one that's called Echo. I think I'm gonna have that on half the lid. And then we have, what other ones do I have? Ariel, which is that turquoise. Is that what I wanna have? Or do I just wanna have, I feel like I just wanna have the Echo one. Maybe I'll have the Ariel one under my eyes. I have a bit of patchiness right here where I have obviously over blended, because I mean, the red and the teal are obviously not meant to be, like, they're not meant to meet. I'll use this Echo one, I think all over my lid, but not in my inner corners. And I'm gonna spray it so that I get a bit of control over it. Ooh, that is a really nice color. It's actually softer than I thought it was gonna be. I like that. I think that's pretty cool. Still a bit patchier. I know it's not gonna be better for me blending it, but sometimes you can't help yourself. Let me do the same on the other eye. I think I'm gonna use the light pink. That's not one of the new colors. Use them in the corners afterwards. Or maybe do the lower lash line first. That would probably be the smartest. I kind of want to try this yellowy gold as well. I think I'm gonna try that under my eyes. And then I am gonna use, what is that one called? Arsenic. This light pinky, it's like a pinky duochrome. I'm gonna have that in my inner corners. I think that's gonna be the look. I think I'm gonna use some black in my waterline just to keep this like a bit defined and still, because I feel like just the light yellow under my eyes maybe isn't definition enough. So I'm gonna use a bit of black in my waterline. Okay, let me do some eyeliner and some mascara and we can see what this looks like. And find something for the lips as well. I don't really know what I want to have. I'll find something. Okay, this is where I'm at right now. I'm wearing the By Terry Hyaluronic Sheer Rouge in Mango Tango. It's like a tinted lip balm. It's really nice. Don't like the smell or the taste of it, but it looks and feels amazing. I don't really know how I feel about this look. There's nothing wrong with the shadows. They perform beautifully. I just feel like I don't know what I was doing. It's okay, but it's definitely not my best work. But let me put on some lashes. Maybe I'll change my mind and yeah. I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the finished look. I have the Stella Luxe on. These are almost broken. This is probably the last time I'm wearing these. I do have, I think, do I have a backup? Oh god, I hope so, because I love these so much. They almost saved my poor color choices. I mean, the quality of these shadows are like, it's so good. And if I wasn't so determined to use as many of the new shades as possible, I would have made a better look. I don't really know how I feel about this. I think I'm gonna have to... This highlight though. This highlight is the Fire Super Shock Chic highlighter by Colourpop. You know I love this one. I think that if I wasn't so determined to make a look out of most of these, or only these, I probably would have made a better look. Like, I don't hate it, but it's definitely not my best work. But it's not these shadows' fault. They're nice, they're lovely, they're adorable. I love them, I really do. I love the Lethal Cosmetics formula. I think it's nice, and I think these are nice too. And I'm so excited that I was able to try out even more of these. Let me know if there's something else you'd like to see, maybe not as full-on Jamaican as this is, although I do love me a good flag look. Maybe this isn't exactly what I wanted to wear when I was going to a friend's birthday party, but I like it though, it's cute. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you in my next video, which is going to be, I mean, either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. That's how it is here on my channel. Okay, bye!